grab about one more and put it over here. And then I'll go ahead and hopefully that'll stay. If not, no problem, we'll fix it. I'm going to take my spatula now and do the same thing where I loosen this all the way around. Pick that up. Now remember, this is the one that's not on a cake board. See, it's cake underneath. Can you see that? So that's why you either keep it refrigerated or frozen until you're ready to put it on. Okay. Now, I like to have, this is the front, so I like to have that towards me. Pick the best part of the bun and go ahead and start to put that down. Use your spatula so you can get your hand out. And voila. That's what we got so far. Now we go ahead and take the rest of our fixins and go ahead and put them in there. And get this board out of the way. So, we'll take some of the tomatoes. This one is actually stuck to the board a little bit. So use your spatula to get that off. Okay. And you just kind of want to pop this in. Have it coming out. And we'll take some of our onions. Oh, now look what just happened. Because I picked up the tomato, I actually got some of the red coloring, transferred it from my hands onto the onion. So I might want to go ahead and do the rest of my tomatoes and then go ahead and do all the onions. So I'll turn this. You can even lift this up a little bit with the spatula and pop the tomato in. We'll put one more over here. Yeah, and this one looks like it's come out just a little bit. Pop that back in. We might want to change this one out or just push it in there a little bit more. So let me lift the cake up a little more. Ooh, sounds like one fell out the other side. That's okay. Here it is. No problem, it happens. Okay, so that looks pretty good there. This one, we could have two right here. And now go ahead and wipe my hands off. Take some of these onions and stick the onions in. It's like one of those real messy burgers.